Welcome to the first video of the KOSTAL Solar Portal. In this video, we would like to show you how you register to the Solar Portal. Start and select the Join Us Now for Free button. Enter your email address and complete all the necessary information. Please select your language and confirm that you read and agreed to our terms of use. If you would like further information about our products or software updates by email, then activate the second checkmark. Confirm your registration and click on the button Send Registration. A brief message informs you that your registration was successful and an email has been sent to you. After you have registered to the KOSTAL Solar Portal, you will receive an email. The email with the subject Email Activation informs you about your registration to the Solar Portal. Next, please click the Activate Account button in your email. After you have confirmed the email, you will be redirected to the KOSTAL Solar Portal. Please choose a password. Your password must consist of 8 characters containing at least one upper and one lowercase letter and a number. Confirm your entry with Activate Account. As soon as your account has been successfully activated, you will be redirected to the login page. If you have forgotten your password or have only used the KOSTAL Solar Portal so far, you can reset your password and click on Forgot Password. Next, enter your email address and click on the Send button. A short notice appears at the top of the screen that an email has been sent to you. After you have requested a new password in the KOSTAL Solar Portal, you will receive an email. Confirm again in this email that you want to reset the password. After you have confirmed the email, you will be forwarded to the KOSTAL Solar Portal page. Here you can now fill in your new password, which must consist of 8 characters, at least one upper and one lowercase letter, and one number. Confirm your entry and click on Send. Your new password is set. If you need more information, you will find further details about our products and the KOSTAL Solar Portal on our website www.KOSTAL-Solar-Electric.com in the download area. Thank you for your interest. We hope you enjoy the KOSTAL Solar Portal.